Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Angelica Hamilton in Dress to Impress. Okay, this is for the outfit guys, and I'm going to show you how I made this one. Alright, to make the tutorial faster, I'm going to immediately show you the items that you need to choose to create this look. And actually, you don't need a lot of items guys, you just need 7 items, including the hairstyle. Okay, for the hairstyle or the hair, you can choose this hair, this curly hair, and then you're going to color it black for all the selection. And then you're going to put on this top from the Valentine's update. And this is the item from VIP guys. And you're going to apply this color for all the selection. And then for the material, you're going to make it metallic. And then put on the strawberry dress. You're going to choose skirt only. And then apply this color for all the selection and make it metallic. And apply this top from the Valentine's update. And then you're going to make it this color. And then you're going to put on the skirt from the World Culture Update, and you're going to make it this color. And then the last one, sorry, not the last one, but you can put on the sleeves, and you can make it this color and make it metallic. Okay, and finally for the last one, okay, you can put on this heels, and then you're going to make it this color. And done. Finally, you will have this look, Angelica Hamilton look, and then you can use this outfit, guys, to join the, for example, the musical theme or the cosplay theme, or elegant or prompt. It can match as well, and I hope you like this look. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.